Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make white background in Canva. First, create a canvas in your Canva account. I am creating a YouTube thumbnail. Let's say this is my canvas. This one is my canvas, and now I want to upload my image here. Let's say content creator. So photos, and I want to use a clean photo, let's say this one. And now I want to make the background white. So first click the image and click the BG remover. One thing you should remember, that BG remover or this feature is only available if you have a Canva Pro account. If you don't have a Canva Pro account, then you won't get this feature, or this feature is locked in your Canva free account. So click the BG remover, this button, and now my image is without background. Now click here in your background and make your background white color. This is already in white color, and adjust your image. So I want to get image in the middle of this position, and that's it. Now download your image. Click the share button, click the download button, and choose your preferred file format. Let's say I want to download it as a PNG image. So I'm clicking here and selecting the PNG, and now click the download button, and you will see the image is here. The image is without background, or it is with the white background. Or let's say sometimes we need to uh, get our background in another color. I'm changing my background color. Let's say this one is my background color, and I want to create a white background in my image. So first clean or remove your background, and then click the image and click the edit button, and go to the shadow button. Click here, and here you will get a couple of shadow options available. Now I want to click the outline section and select your outline color. I want to select outline color as white. Now adjust your outline size. Let's say this one is okay for me, and you can also adjust the intensity from here. So this way you can add white outline to your image when it is without background. Now you can just download your image. Just again click here share button and click the download button and select your file format, and now click the download button, and you will get your image with white outline. So this one is my image. So this is very simple. I think you can also do it by yourself if you try it after watching my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment very soon.